Treatment facilities available: cosmetic, silver or laser fillings. Treatment of pyorrhea: ultrasonic scaling and polishing. Periodontal gum surgeries. Dental X-ray. Root canal treatment. Bleaching, teeth whitening. Tooth extractions. Fixed partial dentures. Crown and bridges. Complete dentures. Orthodontic treatment. Implant surgeries. Maxillofacial prosthesis. Dental jewelry. Smile improvement. Common dental problems. Dental problems are never any fun, but the good news is that most of them can be easily prevented. Bad breath, tooth decay, gum disease, mouth sores, tooth erosion, tooth sensitivity, toothache, oral cancer, unattractive smile. Bad breath, gum disease, cavities, oral cancer, dry mouth and bacteria on the tongue are some of the dental problems that can cause bad breath. Tooth decay. Tooth decay is the second most prevalent disease in India. Tooth decay occurs when the sticky substance that forms on teeth combines with the sugars of the food and we eat. Gum disease. Gum disease is an infection in the gums surrounding the teeth. Gum disease is also one of the main causes of tooth loss among adults. Mouth sores. There are several different types of mouth sores and they can be pesky and bothersome. Common mouth sores are cancer mouth sores, fever blisters, cold sores, ulcers and thrush. Tooth erosion. Tooth erosion is the loss of tooth structure and is caused by acid attacking the enamel. Tooth erosion signs and symptoms can range from sensitivity to more severe problems. Tooth sensitivity. Tooth sensitivity is a common problem. Basically, tooth sensitivity means experiencing pain or discomfort to your teeth from sweets, cold air, hot drinks, cold drinks or ice cream. Toothache and dental emergencies. Nothing is much worse than suffering from a toothache, while many toothache and dental emergencies can be easily avoided just by regular visit to the dentist. Oral cancer. Oral cancer is a serious and deadly disease that affects millions of people. This serious dental disease, which pertains to the mouth, lips or throat, is often highly curable if diagnosed and treated in the earlier stages. Unattractive smile. An unattractive smile can really lower a person's self-esteem. Luckily, with today's technologies and developments, anyone can have a beautiful smile. Tips for healthy teeth. Brush your teeth twice daily with fluoride toothpaste and clean between your teeth daily with floss or an interdentally cleaner. Eat a balanced diet for good overall health. Eating sweetened cereals dry is bad for teeth. Always add milk. See your dentist regularly, a key to helping prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Do not ignore gums that bleed when you brush or floss or changes in the way your teeth fit together when you bite. Don't use tobacco products. They can increase your risk of gum disease and cancer of the mouth and throat. Don't chew on hard objects that could crack a tooth. Wear a mouth guard when playing active sports. Ask your dentist about cosmetic options for improving the appearance of teeth that are stained or chipped. Toothbrushing tips for healthy smile. Use a toothbrush with soft bristles. Replace toothbrush 4 times a year. Use toothpaste containing fluoride. Floss at least once a day. Hold toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to the gum line. Brush your tongue. Periodically test for plaque. Have regularly dental checkups. Have your teeth cleaned twice yearly.
Don't forget, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush and floss them every day. Brush them, brush them, brush them so. Brush them high, brush them low. Brush them to the left, brush them to the right. Brush them out of sight. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush and floss them every day. Floss them, floss them, floss them so. Floss them high, floss them low. Floss them to the left, floss them to the right. Floss them out of sight. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush and floss them every day.